Okay, it's Monday, January 30th. This is a SPY morning update. Now we're about an hour into trading, and you can see here from the last video, this is why I talked about the midpoint of the prior day being kind of a key area here. The initial move was to the upside, but we only came to the halfway point of the prior day, so there was really no up bias on the day overall until we got above that area. That's why I recommended, if you're long here, scaling out, setting up a no-risk trade. You could have had a base hit gain up here, or you should be kind of even. So now that we've come down, this next bar was the pullback. I wanted to see some kind of orderly pullback to the midway point of this bar, but it was actually, it came down here, tried to, pop up, but then immediately continued lower. So you can see here, we're kind of now working towards the lows of the day, the open of the day. We have a bit of a failure bar happening here. So I expect the lows of the day to be taken out. This should work down to those pre-market lows as an opportunity to get short in here aggressively. If you want to wait for a 1 minute signal of some kind, I don't even know if you're going to get it, but some kind of pullback and sell, or if you want to wait for the 5-minute chart to give you some kind of orderly pause. As long as we pause in here and don't continue higher, we should then be breaking down towards the lows of the day, and then that kind of works towards the pre-market lows as well as a target. So, and then we can have the failure day here to the downside, or the downward day below the open. We'll see if we reach 2 down day, we'll reach our target down here. Now we kind of monitor all kinds of targets, and if we can't reach it, then maybe in the days ahead after some earnings reports we'll start back up. But for now, it looks like we're kind of failing a little bit on the upside, which was definitely kind of expected given you weren't above the halfway point of the bar. People bought it up a little bit, but you really wanted to monitor it closely on that first move, and that's what I was kind of talking about on the first video. So anyway, expect the lows of the day to be taken out. After that, watch structure. I kind of see that as the next target. We want to see then on the daily chart, if we reach this target, how weak things get today. And depending how weak things get today will kind of be a good indicator as to what to expect in the days ahead.